Understanding Miss Out, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, miss out. We'll explore what it means, how to use it in sentences, and some common situations where you might hear or use this phrase. So, let's get started and make sure you don't miss out on this informative video. The phrase, miss out, is often used in everyday English. It means to fail to experience or take advantage of something. This could be an event, opportunity, or even a simple activity. It's usually used when there's a sense of loss or regret about not being able to participate in or enjoy something. Everyday situations. Imagine your friends went to a concert, but you couldn't go. You might say, I missed out on a great concert. This shows your regret for not being there. Opportunities. Consider a job opportunity that you didn't apply for in time. You could express your feelings by saying, I missed out on a great job opportunity. Special offers. If a store had a sale that ended before you could shop, you might tell a friend, I missed out on the sale at my favorite store. Activities. If you're too busy to join a family outing, you might later say, I missed out on a fun family day. When using miss out in a sentence, it often comes with the preposition on. For example, she missed out on the chance to meet her favorite author. It's also commonly used in the past tense as missed out, but you can use it in various tenses depending on the context. Present tense. I don't want to miss out on any of the fun. Past tense. He missed out on the company trip last year. Future tense. They might miss out on the opportunity if they don't act fast. There are a few expressions similar to miss out that you might hear. Lose out, more about losing an advantage or opportunity. Pass up, deciding not to take an opportunity. Overlook, failing to notice or consider something. So there you have it. Miss out is a versatile phrase that can be applied in various situations, from social events to opportunities. By understanding how to use it, you can express feelings of regret or loss more naturally in English. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on our future English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing.